I'm Ben Bricken with Alys Beach Properties, and today we're next to the Beach Club at Easterly 201. This beachside exclusive residence is one of the only Gulf front condominium buildings to ever be built in Alys Beach. Let's take a look around. At 2,620 square feet, this 3-bedroom plus bunk room and additional living room layout is the largest floor plan designed for the Selene Easterly. Bifolding doors open to a large covered lanai, which overlooks the entrance to the private owner beach club and enjoys both water and town views. Upgraded fixtures, finishes, and appliances are found throughout, and the interior furnishings by Summerstory Design convey with the residence. I hope you've enjoyed this tour of Easterly 201. To learn more or schedule a private showing, please reach out to us.